Hi, I'm Todd with Spring Woodlands Air Technicians, and today we're going to be installing a Global Plasma Solutions cold plasma air purifier, and this is independently lab tested to kill viruses, bacteria, mold, and allergens, and it is mounted in your air conditioning system over the blower fan in the attic. These sell for $650. And there is the air purifier, and as air passes through the plasma field made around this set of antennas, it kills the allergens and bacteria. So we'll head up to the attic and put this in. Alright, we're up in the attic, and as you can see we have the blower section open on the furnace. We're going to slide the blower out and mount the plasma generator to the fan so that the air will come across it and be purified. And the next thing we'll show you is when the blower comes out. Here you can see that we have the blower assembly pulled out, and I will mount the plasma generator on the back of the blower assembly, and then we put everything back together, and this will generate the plasma field that kills the viruses and bacteria in your home's air. Alright, now that the blower assembly is reinstalled with the plasma generator on it, it will purify the air whenever the fan is running.